let's move forward to the first page now and get ready, because that's what this is about, is getting ready for the unit. Now, the things I tell you to collect, the things I tell you to do, whether I'm coming out to install the machine or you're installing the machine yourself, these are the order in which you should do them. This is pre-installation. This is not the installation. But because I'm doing this, you start becoming familiar with the laser and hence not afraid of it. If you're not afraid of it, it becomes much easier to train you when I'm there, or much easier to train you over the phone especially. So when we're dealing with this, we're going to go to the first page. Let me back up here. Okay. Now, page 1 here, and this is what you should be on. You should have also gotten to this vis-a-vis this icon, and it should look like this. Click on this to get to the manual, which I'm in, and this will get you into the pre-installation section. Now, once you're in the pre-installation section, you want to take it slowly. Do not go forward on a step until you feel like you've completely finished the step before it. So let's go forward here, because each step builds on itself. So basically, I'm introducing you to the company here. Remember, with Lightburn, especially if you purchase from me or you're doing an installation with me, you have a team of 5 here on the West Coast, streaming from Arizona all the way up to Portland. Now, they all work for me. They're all independent sign makers and have their own businesses. Plus, they do this. They're only trained with the Boss laser and they know Lightburn and LaserCAD LaserWorks. But for you, you're only going to want Lightburn. When we load LaserCAD LaserWorks on there, it's for a troubleshooting tool only. So the staff in Orlando, Florida, where the machine was made, we pre-assemble the machines overseas. We make parts from all over the world, or buy parts from all over the world, do all the post-assembly here, do all the quality assurance here, do all the QA here. So the QA here is, I'm going to do that when I install the machine. I'm going to run quality assurance jobs on it to make sure things are working correctly, got there in one piece, etc. The other thing is there's 45 at the factory. There's a large team of customer service, all highly trained, plus there's a large group down on the assembly floor that can also do customer service if we were to have a virus hit or something, or a sick out, for example. So we're covered 6 ways from Sunday, and one of the reasons why you purchased from us was that. Now, if you're not a Boss owner, doesn't mean that you can't have this course, doesn't mean I'm going to support you. Obviously, my team will support you. But their main thing is Boss. So when it comes to differences, you may have to fall back to me because I'm factory trained on everything. But if it's Boss, you have 5 here on the West Coast and 45 on the East Coast. If you're non-Boss, then we're going to work it out, me at least, and probably 80% of the time my team can help you. Now, one of the things with it is I want you to memorize these numbers and this right here. Make sure you have a PC that is Windows 10, that is 16 gig, that has at least an 800 gig hard drive, if not more, at least 16, if not 32, depending on what you're doing. RAM is cheap now, so take advantage of it. Also, write my number down. You're going to call me, you're going to text me, you're going to email me. When you email me, if you're a Boss owner, you're going to CC me and email tech support. If you're not a Boss owner, you're going to email me directly, and that's sales here at Engraver's Choice. The big thing with Boss is that there'll be several things that you'll think. You'll think this is not in the software, you just don't know where it is. 9 times out of 10, that's the answer. If you do find something we don't have, there's a workaround until we do have it, and we will eventually have it. 2 extension cords, 2 isobar surge protectors, 20 to 30 amps, cleaning solution, which is isopropyl alcohol or lens cleaner, white lithium grease. This is a link, not a link, but a name of a remote control for turning off your laser, because I'm going to want laser and chiller into one, and then the air pump and the air cylinders into another one. So you with the big pump, you may have to buy 3 of these surge protectors. Get me some 3 12x12 pieces of material, wood especially, and then on top of that, any material you know you want to do. If you're just making cardboard, I want some cardboard. If you know you're going to do a lot of plastic, I want your plastic. And then make sure you have Kim wipes and Q-tips. And like I say, look this up. This is really cool, this wireless remote. I'll see you in the next one.